looking great big gold ring.
This is the design in Fusion 360 for the top plug, and you can see the sizes. I've got a 6mm hole through the top part, and the plug fits snugly, or will fit snugly, into the tube. This is the bottom plug that is going to go into the bottom of the tube to seal it, and again it's designed to fit snugly directly into it. This is the carriage that the tube will sit in, and I've allowed a little bit extra for the inner tube, which is going to go on the bottom as an anti-slip. Moving the design now into the 3D print program, and this shows the details of the print that it's going to do. So I'm going to let it do its thing. Okay, the 3D print is started, and it's doing the top plug. This is the top plug. It's finished now, and just going to take it off the construction bed. Same goes for the tube carriage. That's now completed and ready to mount. Finally, the bottom plug and support insert for the tube. Well, the carbon tube has just arrived a few minutes ago, 1.2 meters. Of carbon tube, and now the moment of truth to see if these items fit, and that's a pretty perfect fit in there. I'll be using an epoxy resin to hold the parts in place, and the bottom plug, again, that is excellent fit. And the carriage, again, excellent. What I'm going to do, I looked through my heat shrink tubing, and I didn't have any tubing quite the right size, but I do have some bicycle inner tube, so I think I'll be using some of that as the carriage, and that will also then double as the protection with the clamps, bolts going over the top. Just wanted to show where I am so far. The end cap, top cap is made. I've painted it yellow on one side and put the cord through. The reason I paint it yellow is I can see which way around the front of the scoop is, the carriage and the bottom insert. I just wanted to show you the weights on this. Now I've actually taken apart the existing scoop with the new tube. The total weight is 440 grams, near enough, and the old shaft is about 1.3 kilos, so it's a huge weight saving. Very pleased with that. So the last job to do is I've got some epoxy resin, and I was just going to resin up these bits and pop them inside. This is a very strong resin. It takes about 24 hours to dry fully, but yes, it's very good. The other things I forgot to show you, just while I think about it, I've put the inner tube at the bottom, and I've glued that around top and bottom, and I've also put a cord on there which I use for a breakaway cable. I've never had a scoop shaft break, but sod law is that maybe it'll happen at one time. And I know a friend had that recently and almost lost his scoop. He spent ages trying to recover it from the sand in the water. So that will be tied to the scoop, and double protection. Well, just to finish it off, the clamps are in place, and the breakaway cable just going along to the other end. The top cap is all glued, and it's all ready to use whenever the lockdown ends. Hopefully before too long.